You traded it back up to the 24s, and that was a 70% gain you made in that one day. Well, you're not going to sit around and leave that one in place, are you? You're just going to close that trade out. You're just going to close that trade out for 70% gain. Now, that's a great gain in anybody's book, isn't it? But it was the fact that it came off exactly the same price as the price we gave you the day before. And you're making 70% gain. Well, you book that gain, guys. You don't hold it. You book it. Because whatever makes it go up can make it come straight back down, as we all know in news. Whatever makes it go up can make it come straight back down again. So when I trade these things, I'm not trading them for buy and hold situations. I don't know enough about the companies to buy and hold anything on these companies, right? Unless you have a desire to sit around and analyze the board of directors and the makeup of their shareholdings and their accounts and read through their accounts, how do you know what their stock is? I'm going to try and go in there for a quick hit and run trade, get my money, get the feck out of there, and be thankful that I've managed to get away with it. Steal the cash and then walk away, right? And then just wait for the next opportunity to set up. Not interested in buy and hold unless I'm going to do the work, unless I'm going to put in the extra work. Well, on a $100,000 option trade, I can't buy and hold a stock, guys. It's not a good enough reason to buy and hold a stock. It's a good enough reason to buy it with, with an hour to go before the close and then maybe buy it one more time off the same price level. It's good enough for that. It's not good enough for anything else. This might be an absolute pish terrible company for all I know. Do I care? Abso-fucking-lot. Absolutely not. Not a chance. So you're right. I mean, it's if you look at what happened to the snow trade, I've got no idea if this is good or bad. I just know that at the short term, that because we came back to that same level, we gave that level out the other day as well for the snow trade, then you've been able to buy against those two key levels quite a few times and make some nice money once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and then into the close it touched it again another time. But that's 4 rotations. Just a single swing in that is 5%. So if I get 4 of those rotations, I've maybe done about 7 or 8% of my money on that stock that day. Do I believe it's going to go up to $326 or something like that? Absolutely not. I've not done the necessary research to tell me whether that's possible. All I know is that for that session, for that day, for that situation, I could probably scalp away some nice cash. That's why we call it stock scalping. If you want to do the necessary work behind it and try and work out whether it's got any longevity, that's a different question. That's a different thing, and that's not what I'm doing. I'm not giving you a longevity trade. I'm giving you some piece of action that's happening in the last 5 minutes.